Carpool Cannes Conversation.
I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Don't tell James Corden that. It totally stole his idea. We need a juxtaposition because it is 91 degrees for those who are following here. I think that's 32, 33 Celsius. An icebreaker.
Okay, all right, let's bring it on.
What is your Cannes walk-on song?
I think I'm going to go with, so I'm a big Dua Lipa fan. Love her. But I'm going to go with Training Season Is Over. Particularly for where we are just even a year ago. Yeah. Like when we were here last year, it was still very much, particularly around like marketing and AI and kind of learning, experimenting, seeing what's possible. And I think we're in it now.
So tell me, what is your marketing team doing differently? How are they using AI?
The first is how we think about sort of traditional marketing workflows.
Okay.
And you've heard me say this before, but if you think about just customer journeys, how we do content dissemination, all of that has, one, been linear, and two, been the same sort of workflows for over a couple decades. If you think about how do we get out of linear sequencing, how do we get into kind of faster time to market, and you see brands like Ralph Lauren and L'Oreal using the AI agents and agentic experience to be able to have one-on-one conversations. AI has introduced a way for us to personalize content that we haven't been able to do before. Marketing workflows, creative, personalization, even the measurement system. All of that, all of that needs to be reinvented.
So interesting because we've started talking about the prompt to purchase pipeline because it is drastically changing everything we know about customer journeys these days.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to give me your 2026 Cannes album title, and if you can do it in 7 words or less, even better.
I'm going to stick with the theme of reinvention. So I'm going to go with we reinvented and never looked back. The one other thing that I think you and I've talked about before is this notion of evolving brands and how you get content to actually help drive brands. That's something that I think most marketers aren't thinking about. They're still thinking about, they do the brand, they put the brand work out there. I think there's a different way of influencing brand.
I couldn't agree more. You probably know this, but James Corden, they don't drive. They sit in the car.
I did not know that.
This is so authentic.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.